Daylight robbery. Obviously overcharging. Rupees 500 for a cup of coffee? This is a daylight robbery. Hello viewers, today we are going to see some interesting idioms in English and their meanings. You know, viewers, an idiom is a phrase that has a different meaning than its literal meaning. Let's go for the idioms. First one, kill two birds with one stone. Kill two birds with one stone. It means get two things done with a single action. Next one, there are other fish in the sea. There are other fish in the sea. It means that it's okay to miss this opportunity. Other options are there. It will arise. So don't you worry. Third one, well begun is half done. Well begun is half done. It means getting a good start is important for all the actions. Next one, face the music. Face the music. So face reality or to deal with the reality of the situation and accept the consequences. For example, you are not studying hard, so you have to face the music. You are not studying hard, so you have to face the music. Number 5, ring a bell. Ring a bell. Something is familiar to you. Perhaps you have heard it before. For example, you have visited my old classmate Roger. You say, I'm not sure, but that name rings a bell. Sixth one, up in the air. Up in the air. If somebody tells you that things are up in the air, it means that they are uncertain. They are uncertain. Number 7, look like $1,000,000. Look like $1,000,000. If someone tells you that you look like $1,000,000, please accept it. It means that you are looking really attractive. 8th one, break the bank. Break the bank. It means something is very expensive. For example, buying a new car at this time would break the bank. 9th one, keep your chin up. Keep your chin up. When your friend tells you to keep your chin up, he or she is showing his or her support. For example, it's a way of telling, stay strong, you will overcome this problem. So keep your chin up. Number 10, spice things up. Spice things up. It means to spice things up. It means make things more interesting. Number 11, cool as a cucumber. Cool as a cucumber. If you say that you are cool as a cucumber, then you are very calm and relaxed. Number 12, compare apple and oranges. Compare apple and oranges. It's hard to compare two things that are totally different, So, to compare apples and oranges is to compare two very different things. Number 13, a smart cookie. You see, viewers, if somebody calls you that you are a smart cookie, you must feel happy because a small cookie is an intelligent person. Fine. Number 14, chasing rainbows. It means following dreams, sometimes trying to do something that cannot be achieved. So you can say, he is always chasing rainbows. Number 15, salt of the earth. Salt of the earth. Being honest and good. Salt of the earth means being honest and good. For example, you can say, my friend is the salt of the earth. He helps the people who are in need. Number 16, bite off more than you can chew. Bite off more than you can chew. It is to do something that is too difficult for you. For example, he has taken more responsibilities as he couldn't say no to his boss. I think he has bitten more than he can chew. Think he'll be in trouble. Number 17. Boil the ocean. Boil the ocean. If you try to boil the ocean, actually you try to accomplish something too ambitious. Number 18. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. Which means be patient. Be patient. So example, hold your horses. I am not yet done with my explanation. Number 19. Hit the sack. Hit the sack. To go to bed. Hit the sack means to go to bed. I hit the sack around 11 p.m. yesterday. I hit the sack around 11 p.m. Number 20. Daylight robbery. What we have seen at the beginning now. Daylight robbery. Obviously, overcharging. Dear viewers, like the video, share the video with your friends and subscribe the channel for more videos. And thanks for watching. Bye.